So depending on the method of delivery of your bike, the front rack may not be mounted. And so what it will come with is the 4 mounting bolts sort of pre-threaded into the front of the frame. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to take these bolts out. And then it's very straightforward. We're just gonna put them back in, but this time with the front rack in place. There's no washers, so don't worry if you're bolting the front rack on and you're not seeing any washers kicking around. So get all 4 on, just nice and loose to begin with. And then once you've got all 4 on, just go around and tighten each of them up a little bit at a time. Doesn't need to be crazy tight, you just want it installed to the extent where it doesn't rattle around, for obvious reasons. So just take your time, do each one a little bit at a time, and then once you should get to a point where it's nice and hand tight, and by hand tight I mean with one hand you go to the maximum and you don't need like a second hand, and you don't need to leverage. It's just simple one hand tighten, done.